It's possible to upload music and earn money on YouTube even if you can't sing or play an instrument. Keep watching, I will show you example channels, how much they earn, and give you step-by-step details on how to make money on YouTube with music video. All this using copyright-free video. The concept is really simple. Let's say you want to find some soothing music to get your baby to sleep. Here you see many videos with just popular music and an image. This Baby Relax channel has 761,000 subscribers, and let's see how much they earn. This other channel, which is called Wonderful Lullabies, again is just a collection of free music compiled together. People are not here to watch these videos, but to listen to the music. Would you believe that a channel like this is earning so much each month? This is royalty-free music YouTube monetization. You can adopt the same concept. Here are the steps on how to make money with music on YouTube. Find royalty-free based on a theme from the YouTube audio library. I will show you how to do that. Go to studio.youtube.com, then go to other features and then the audio library. One of the best sources for free music for YouTube videos is the YouTube Music Library. To find a song, you can use one of the 5 filters. For example, let's say you want to make a relaxing video which is about 1 hour long. So to find related free music, you can go to Mood and then select Calm. You can set the duration to more than 5 minutes. This means you need to have about 12 songs in one video. Some songs require that you give credit. If you don't want to do that, you can use the filter attribution not required. Next, download the songs you need. The second step is to find a free image which you can use as a background for the video. Creative Commons like Pixabay offer high quality images for free. For example, if you need a calm image background to add to the video, just type calm and you may get many images to choose from. Now you have the music and the image. The next step is to create the video. You can choose a video editor of your choice. Just add the audio tracks that you downloaded and the image and then produce the video. The next step is the most important step. Upload the video with the right title and description so that your video will appear on the first page of YouTube search results when someone types a keyword in the YouTube search box. This is the main way of getting views to your video, that is to use organic search results. I have created 2 previous videos on getting your videos ranked on YouTube. Watch those videos if you haven't done so already. The links are in the description below. The final step is to enable making money on the video. Every time someone watches or rather listens to your video, you will make money from YouTube AdSense. Now you know how to make money with music online with royalty-free music YouTube monetization. Give it a try and let me know how it goes.